This is your Swing Alpha trade report for June 6, 2016. SPY's made no progress in the last 2 days. I would not be surprised if it came back and retested this trend line or possibly even below the trend line to probe out the stops here. But generally in the next few months I do expect continued all-time highs to be reached. Looking at the financials are still quite bearish looking, and I would expect at some point a breakdown of the 23 line. It could go down to 22.50, 22. We'll have to see. We entered in one trade yesterday, STLD. STLD has been in a bull flag for about a half year now on a continued bullish trend. We had a very large volume a few days ago with a hammer, and it seems to be holding, so this is quite possibly the beginning of a breakout on this bull flag. So if you're not already in, you could get in now or in the next few days. You could also get in once this breakout is confirmed. We also stopped out on a trade on Monday, HABT. We gotten in about 2 weeks ago on this candle here, expecting a continued trend up this trend line here. However, it almost immediately broke down since. We stopped out yesterday. This trade is still, the stock is still relatively bullish, but we're going to watch it for now and just see what happens. We also got into two trades today. The first one, KIN, we got in this morning. So KIN's been in a bull flag for about 2 months now, and it appears to be breaking out of the bull flag on what appears to be a very large volume here. This could be selling volume. If it is, we'll just stop out at a small loss. We also got in one other trade, AMBA, towards the close of today, AMBA. So AMBA's been in a 2-year bull flag here. You can see this trend line going down. The breakout about a month ago. I'd actually been watching AMBA since before the breakout and even considered buying in on the breakout, and I just watched it go up as I was not in the trade. But a few days ago it broke down. It formed this very large hammer candle here on large volume. As of today, it appears to still be holding. So we went long on the assumption that this retest will hold, and we'll just write it up. If the retest does not hold, we'll exit at a small loss. So that concludes the trade report for June 6, 2017.